Welcome to Nutmeg 1. Are you ready to discover the incredible health benefits and uses of nutmeg, the famous spice of Spice Island, exchanged for all of Manhattan? You should. This super spice does so much for wellness and delicious dishes, and that's not even counting pumpkin spice. Nutmeg isn't just a spice, it's a powerhouse. Packed with antioxidants, it fights free radicals to boost your overall health. It supports brain health with compounds that may enhance memory and cognitive function. Studies also show nutmeg can support digestion, easing bloating and discomfort after meals. Struggling with sleep? Nutmeg's natural compounds, like myristicin, promote relaxation, making it a perfect bedtime ally. Add a pinch to warm milk or tea for a soothing night's rest. Coconut Country Living's nutmeg takes it further. Our organic fair trade nutmeg is sustainably sourced, supporting farmers while delivering fresh, aromatic flavor. Use it in baking, cooking, or wellness routines. It's versatile and pure and super flavorful. But don't just take our word for it, listen to this. From Tamara J. Ruffin, best whole nutmeg I've ever purchased. I love this nutmeg. The pods are big, the aroma and taste are outstanding. From Tamara Gaia, fresh whole nutmeg yummy. I ordered this product and I have never used fresh whole nutmeg, but now I will never use anything but whole nutmeg. I baked a savory chicken and squash pie. The depth of flavor added by the nutmeg was breathtaking. I'd ate 2 pieces. From Monica, I really enjoyed using this product. I use nutmeg a lot in the house, and this was my go-to. It was really simple to use, just ground it up and use. The smell of it is amazing, and I would recommend it to my family and friends. I also received it quickly. From Nana C, good quality. Got these for a good price on Prime Day. Came sealed in a fresh pack. Smell and look great. Whole nutmeg has a much better flavor than pre-ground. From Susie Q2, wow, flavor. I had never used whole nutmeg before. I thought ground nutmeg was cheaper and the same taste. Boy, was I wrong. I bought this after I was unable to find the ground spice. I first tried it in my butternut squash and also sweet potato. OMG, this freshly ground nutmeg took my veggies to a whole other level. Highly recommend. So whether you're a health enthusiast, wellness blogger, or parent seeking natural remedies, this nutmeg can transform your life, one pinch at a time. Ready to elevate your health and cooking? Visit coconutcountryliving.com or shop our organic fair trade nutmeg today on Amazon. Click the link below and spice up your life naturally. And we'll see you in Coconut Country.